What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to stop kids from deleting apps on the iPhone or iPad. So for example, once we click on one of the apps and we hold for a little bit, and then we see they start shaking, and right here you can see this X on the top left, and if you click on it, it's gonna delete the app. So we can actually prevent that, we can disable that. So first thing we need to do, we need to click on settings, and this right here. Once settings opens up, we need to click on screen time, make sure screen time is selected, and in here we need to click on content and privacy restriction. And then in here, we need to make sure this is on. So we need to toggle the switch on. And right here, we need to press on iTunes and App Store purchases. And in here, you can see deleting apps and it says allowed. So if we click on it, right here, there's an option, don't allow. We're gonna check that option and we're gonna go back to our home screen. And in here, once again, if we tap on one of the games and we hold, you can see that there is no option to delete the game. Little X on the top left, it's just disappear, it's not here. So this is the way how to stop kids from deleting apps on either iPhone or iPad. If this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.